Cheeseburger jet duckweed. I can't go with that because I'm the Crimson Chin. I hate that show now. Fairly Odd Parents. I heard that. I love that show. You do brown coat? Well, you're going. Oh, the plans don't have anything new. No, we don't. Except a little surprise for when anybody tries to make it. Oh man, that sounds pretty bad. Pretty bad. Oh. Huh? Full-on plants. Hey, you leaf. I think I should go with you. I hate that taste. Whoa! Ow! They made me bump in my head. I'm dead. Akuta Makatata. Akuta Makatata. That's all I remember this song. Akuta Makatata. Wait, shouldn't duckweed be saying that? Oh no, my pants. Argy scallywag. Argy scallywag, you take this. That's all you get. I'm dead. That's all, folks. Oh my god, I know where that's from. That's from Looney Tunes. Whoa. Pum. I can get that split pea for you. No. Whoa! Oh man, that hurted. That didn't do anything. Yeah. Now I'm going back. I got a better plan. You guys wait and see. Ducktube, why are you heading back? I got a better plan. Now it's to run back and tackle somebody. Who should I tackle? Huh. Whoa! Oh no! I'm dead. It's ham bones time to shine. Whoa there. Haha. I'm gonna take this walnut. Nah. Hey, Ketchup. What? I'm gonna boom you in the face. You screwed up my line. How the heck did I do that? Ketchup! Boom! Whoa! Yeehaw! I should not be yeehawing all 24/7. That happens. Yeehaw! See? That happens. And that happens to be right next to me. Whoa! Oh, ghost pepper. Hide! Oh, you can breathe fire. Take this cabbage bolt. Oh, dang, I ran out. I'm dead. I think it would be better if we actually put the music on. Let's do this. Ready? Are you ready? Let's get playing. What? I almost slipped down the stairs again. No. Here. I wonder if I can get that brown coat up there. Coney, you go this way. Pirate, try and get that cattail. Soapy, have I always been this slow? Yeah, I don't think I have. I'm dead. Coney time. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Why aren't you dead yet? I'm gonna blow me a winner. You missed, you idiot. Whoops. Oh man, walnut's all dirty now. Yeah! 2-guy knockout! This is my dance anthem. I'm sorry for that, Walnut. You're all dirty now. Who cares? guess I'm not a last standard zombie for the other guy. I'll shoot. Everybody do the flop! Oh, can I do this? Oh, I did it! Oh, God! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go faster, 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 faster! Oh, I don't want to land on that chopper! I gotta do a spin jump! I learned that from Mario. Tackle! Oh, God! My feet! My feet! My feet! You hit my feet! That's all you can do! Hit my feet! I'm dead. I'm dead. Paper in his car time. Le boom boom. Okay. I'm gonna boom some more guys. Take this apple. Nah, I'm not gonna go with the apple. He's just gonna explode my face. Nah, I'm gonna get him. Off with your head, garlic. Off with your head. Off with your head, garlic. Off with your head, I says. Ow, you're not a squash, are you? No, I'm dead. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Clear out some of the way. Clear out more of the way. Take this, you cattail. Then boom boom. Wait, do I have a leaf on my head? I think I do. Take this, you other cattail. What? It doesn't work? What the? I'm sorry, but I'm the one who cannot be destroyed by Le Boom Boom. What the? Oh God, he's poking me! She's poking me! She's poking me! She's poking me! Ow! You hit my butt! Whoa! Ouch! Owie! Owie! Zowie! Owie! Owie! Thank you very much. Here comes the Crimson Chip. Thanks, Val. Yeah! I died! Ow! I'm dead. And the plane crashed on Cattails, so Cattails dead. Oh no, my skirt's falling off! And now the wind! The wind! Whoa! Ow! Yowie, zowie, like a pally! I'm okay. Dude, don't know. We're gonna have Mr. Stubbins. He's been out here all night. He's so soaked. It poured all night. Why the heck do I look like I have an afro in the camera? I died. Take this. Mr. Stubbins, you failed me. Boom! Ay caramba! Fail you, you idiot. Really? Boom! Cabbage Pult, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Ow! Get these pults off me! Ugh! Oh, one pult off me. I can do this. Take that, Blover. You cannot kill the Blover. Ha ha ha! Not today. Not squash him. Now! Whoa! Let me down. Let me down. I'm stuck. The boom boom! Still not dead. Jalapeno. Ole! Why is this such a windy day? Oh. Hello, I'm Dr. Sunflower Steam. Oh my god! I'm coming to rescue you, plants. Ow. Let me, hold me. I think there's a zombie approaching. And sure enough, there is. Wow! What the heck? Oh god! Airstrike! I must run. I must run. I must run. Run. Oh god, it'll scale the wall. Scale the wall! Geronimo! Don't think that's supposed to happen. What? I must run. I must run. I surely must run. I should jump. Ow. Right down my face. Whoa! Ow. Who the heck is throwing things at me? Is it you plants? How are you dirty like this for like 2 episodes? Or maybe flies. Maybe five, probably five. When the heck, how'd that print even happen on me? That's a cool print. Look at my new tattoo. Hey, all you zombies! I got a tattoo. Oh, no, I didn't. I'm dead. Oh, sweet tattoo. Take that, Clover. Yeah, I know, face. I have feelings too. Oh no. Ew. I'm dead. Most likely, probably dead. Get something to wash me with. To the sink. And away. A place known as the sink. I'm feeling cleansy. I take that tattoo right off me. I'm feeling so beautiful. Okay, I think I'm done. Seen the last of Head Zombie!